Hello. I'm doing a series of videos at the moment based on my book, giving everybody a flavour of it, because I'm running a series of workshops based on the book shortly. And I thought this would give people a chance to see the book, hear about the book, and actually decide whether you'd like to join me on my workshop, which would be a lot of fun because we always have fun on my workshops. We've done a lot of work on this in the previous mini videos, and I'd like to finish off with this. When I got to the end of the book, I asked my team, the universe, to give me something that would round up the book, round up what I would like to tell you and what they would like you to know. And this was channeled through me, so I'm going to read it for you. And it's from them and me with love. This is who you are. This is me. This is you. We are one. A golden soul, eternal, powerful, wonderful, amazing, a great manifester, the creator of worlds and realities. You are past, present, and future. All of those are you. You are your sister, your brother, your neighbour, your mother, your boss, your father, your friend, and your enemy. You are everything. You are a part of everything, and everything is a part of you. You and the rest are indivisible. What hurts you hurts everything. What uplifts you uplifts everything. This is natural, normal, the way the world and the universe works. Why are you here? To manifest the glory of God, however you see that energy, the endless possibilities, the multicoloured versions of life. You're here to share your experience with all that is. You're here to grow and add to the colour of the world. You do that whatever you do, whether you choose struggle and fear or ease and love. You're always doing your job. You're always right. You're always on target. And you can change your target any time you choose. Don't look out to the world to see why that can't be true, why it doesn't work. Look within and see how it can be true for you. In truth, there is only you, and you are all, and all is one. You have power over yourself. You have power to choose. If you don't like what you're experiencing, no one will tell you you have to keep on experiencing it. It is a world of free choice, and it starts with you. Your feelings are your guide. Listen to them. Honour them. They are doing a valuable job. If you don't like what you're feeling, how can you change to a feeling you do like? When have you felt a good feeling before? Reconnect with it. Embrace it. Enjoy it. Focus on every little bit of pleasure you can find. We watch you humans focus on what doesn't work so hard. We watch you put all your energy into experiencing that, and we wonder why. When there is so much good, so much love and happiness around you, you focus on only that, and even then it's okay. You have choice. If that's what you want to focus on, you can. Just know that you can focus on the other things too, and with practice it'll be just as easy. You can only do it right. Whatever you do adds to the colours of the world. Everything that is or ever has been or will be is there stored in the matrix for you to connect to, add to, amplify. And if you can't find good feelings in your own life, borrow from others. Ask for what you need. It's there for you and will be given to you gladly. We are one like those musketeers, one for all and all for one. Your only job is to be you, and that can be any version of you that you choose. Just remember, that underneath all the layers, the masks, the pretends, you are you, an indivisible part of God and the rest of the universe. And all you need is yours. And so you can ask for what you need at any time. So I just really want you to acknowledge that, allow it in. You might want to play it again and just tap your way through it, because it's the truth. And you can make it your truth too. So create a wonderful life for yourself. Recognize how powerful and how well-resourced you are. Just go for it. Bye.